everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit log for Lord 9 and how to optimize your connection for lower ping, reduce lag spikes, and smoother gameplay. So if you want to try exit log with a 1 year and 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So let's get started. First, you have to download and install ExitLog on your PC. Once it's installed, open application and log into your account. Select the connection tab and search for the Lord 9 game. Now I have to choose the Infinite class because the Lord 9 emulators is only for an Android version of your PC. So select that and you will be redirected into the server section where you have to click or select the region server. So since automatic server selection isn't available for this game, you have to choose the manual selection. Then click the Asia and select the exit log server that is closest to the game server you're playing on. For example, if you're playing on Asia server, I am close to Manila because I'm in the Philippines, so I have to choose the Manila. Click on that. And once you've selected your server, just click the apply routes and wait for the exit log to optimize the connection. After the routes have been applied, launch Lord 9 and log in as usual. Once you're in game, monitor your ping and connection stability. You should notice fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother gameplay, especially during lag battles, raids, and world events. Exit log continuously adjusts your route in real time as network connect conditions change. Keep in mind that exit lag can create true zero ping. Your latency still depends on your distance from the game servers and your internet provider. What exit log does is optimize the route your data takes, helping reduce routing issues, packet loss, and ping spikes. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a smoother Lord 9 experience with exit log. So guys, if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try ExitLog with a 1 year and 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.